Hi guys, tonight I'm gonna try to make some low-carb tacos, and I found this recipe for some low-carb, low-sodium taco seasoning. So I'm gonna go to the store and purchase all that stuff. You guys are gonna go with me. So let's go.
On my way to Winco, they have the best prices on loose spices. So there's my receipt for my spices. I also got some stuff to make pico de gallo. I have some Super Mex salsa, but I bought it on Friday, so just in case, I'm gonna make some pico de gallo. So I think I spent about, I don't know, $3.99 a pound on the meat that I bought yesterday, and I have a little under a pound left, so that's what I'm gonna make tacos with.
I finished making the pico de gallo. I used 4 tomatoes. And I used some cilantro and purple onion, garlic, lemon, serrano, and some salt. So now I'll show you a picture of that, and then it's on to making the taco seasoning. Okay, here it is. I put the seasoning in the ground beef. It smells delicious. So here's how it looks while it's cooking, and I'll let you know when it's all assembled. I finished my dinner and it's really good. There it is. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So anyways, probably cost me maybe, I don't know, $5 to make. I've got some cheese on there, but you know, everything, about $5. So really not that expensive. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day. Bye.